Hello, Saskatchewan theatre professional. My name is Shannon Holmes. I am a theatre artist, I am a theatre professor, and I am a vocal coach. And I have a question for you. Are you required to use your voice at any point in your work in the theatre to communicate? I mean, maybe you are a designer who needs to give a design presentation, or maybe you're a playwright who needs to pitch your new project, or maybe you're a stage manager who needs to call a show. Or maybe you're an actor who, of course, uses their voice on stage in character, but has a hard time during an audition when they say, "Tell us a little bit about yourself." If this sounds like you might be interested in the workshop Confident Communication, a voice class for everybody. In this class, we will explore what it means to speak with confidence, with clarity, with conviction, all with a sense of safety and freedom. So join us June 5th to 8th at SATP's TheatreCon. Hope to see you there.